Poke Padre here, and we got us a Hidden Fates 10. And the last one I opened, I didn't get anything, but this one, shit, maybe we get nothing. But either way, this is what we got, and this is what we're gonna do. Isn't that right? Come on, Flabebe. Come over here. You come on over here. You gonna walk around? Yeah. No? You gonna stand over there? Ooh. This Mewtwo pack's got a little blue strip at the top. I don't know what that's all about. Let's do that first. So we got all 4 pack arts. We're gonna go with Mewtwo, the Mew. We're just gonna do it how we pulled it out, except for Mewtwo's first, because it's got a weird blue strip at the top. We're going with Psychic Energy. It's gonna be Steel, and we're off to the races. Oh no. Giovanni's Exile, Lieutenant Surge's Strategy, Koga's Trap. We got Staryu, Voltorb, Pikachu, Jigglypuff, Ekans. Oh, nice! Lucario! Nice! Well, baby shiny Lucario. A little off top to bottom, but it's good. Alright. So, first pack, first hit. I'm gonna have to get some sleeves right after this video. Oh no. Ah. Should have had the sleeves ready. I don't know what I was thinking. Alright. So we're gonna go with Mew next. Like I said, last hit 10 I opened, I only got one baby shiny, and it was a Beldum. So I was a little upset about that, but this one, we're gonna do something better. So I did Psychic last time. Oh, dang it. Then I brought it up and ruined it. Brock's Grid, Farfetch'd, Graveler, got Coughing, Voltorb, Cubone, Geodude, and the reverse. Oh, no, nope. Eevee. And then the reverse. Electrode. And then the Arbok. Alright. So, we're on that one for 2 right now. I mean, dude, two tens. If I don't get a full art shiny out of 2 tens, I'm gonna be a little upset. But we're gonna go with Fire Energy. It's water. Alright. There's a Fire Magmar. Misty's Cerulean City Gym. Charmeleon. Sayayai. Charmander. Alright, let's get a perfect pack. Magikarp. Slowpoke. Whoa. Alright. Clefairy. A perfect pack would entail a shiny Charizard. Oh, that's sick though. I will take that. I will take that. Very nice. Cynthia with Garchomp. Alright. Alright. we got a full art. It's not a full art shiny, but it's a full art. And we got a baby shiny Lucario at that, so that's nice. That's nice. Here, you want to come over here? Come on. Come on over. Come on over. Yeah. Say hi. You say hi? You got one more pack? Yeah. You gonna take my remote so they can't see us anymore? Huh? That's fine. You do whatever you want to do. There's the code card. Alright, we got, let's go with Fairy Energy. Oh, the fire. It's only fire. We got Graveler, Farfetch'd. We got Brock's Pewter City Gym. We got Caterpie, Charmander,